Hi, today we're going to use AI to make animated characters. So come along with me in real time and create your first AI animated character.
Ho, 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 kids. I'm Grumpy Behumph. I quit Christmas and I am going on a magical holiday to swim with the dolphins in Japan. But hold on to your jingle bells. The author Sir Herbert Sneakies of Grumpy Santa has a plan to bring me back as Jolly Santa before the mean Santa Claus takes over Christmas. I wonder if you kids will miss me? I hope the elves get the Christmas presents right. Hop on over to the Santa Chronicles, Grumpy Santa by Sir Herbert Sneakies, available on Amazon Books, and help me get my jolly ho-ho-hos back.
So everyone's been asking, hey, how do you animate a character and make it talk? So the other programs like DID and HeyGen do not do characters. I tried to make a real Santa and they would not make it talk. So this program I'm going to show you is a cool little program called Blabberize. So I will take you all the way to steps in real time to turn your character, your storybook character, or your whatever character that you want to promote, your avatar, your science fiction character, into a talking character. So it's called Blabberize.com. It's free and it's pretty simple. So first we need to write your script for your character. So you go to ChatGPT, which is chat.openai, and you're going to write a message. And I said, hey, can you give me a little, give me a funny elf speech, or whatever you like, and make it short, 3 sentences max. So you play around with it. I did mine like 3 or 4 times and then I rewrote it. So you ask ChatGPT, it's your free assistant. It will help you generate your intro. And like this one, hey there, Merrymakers, guess what? I heard Santa trying a new gig as a grumpy Grinch. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? But don't worry, we've got a sneaky plan from Sir Herbert Sneakies to turn those frowns into jolly ho-ho-hos. Again, check out the Santa Chronicles, Grumpy Santa on Amazon Books. So let's show Santa that being grumpy is no joke. It's corny, right? It's cute. You can rewrite it, so play with it. You simply type what you want and hit the arrow. So after you get your script, you're going to go to this Blabberize that I showed you. Blabberize, it's Blabberize. It's really cute. Look, you can really have fun with your kids, like for birthday parties, the holidays. You know, we got Halloween coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, a lot of holidays are coming up. We got festivals, happy holidays. You can turn like educational. It's kind of like puppets. You can make their mouths like puppets. It's great for the classroom. You can turn animals. So it's just you get a free trial with it. And so simply, you got to get your artwork. So remember, I really like, let me zoom out a little bit. So I like MageSpace. Yeah, MageSpace right there. It's pretty easy. If you just go to mage.space.com, check out my videos. I walk you through it in real time. This one is the easiest for me. A lot of people like it. Some like Midjourney. Like, you know, pick your favorite AI generator. It doesn't matter. Get a free plan. Use the basics. So it just is really simple. Select the type you want, and it just has different varieties: cartoon, illustration, anime. And you clear it when you're done with the image. If you need help, you want to animate it. So you simply type what you want. I wrote that. So that's where you're going to type. That's the audio. I don't want the audio in there. So, for example, I already have it set up for you. My character that I paid an artist for, a real human being, and a real human being wrote the Grumpy Santa picture book. And so it totally has blue hair in the book. And so I just asked it to, you know, what I wanted, a cute boy elf, whatever, a stunning cute boy elf. So this is the end one. And if you don't like it, you can keep re-imaging it. So basically, I'll go back to creating thing. You type what you want, and then you hit the little orange arrow, and it takes a couple of seconds. And then it will create artwork for you, and you can keep regenerating until it's like the one that you like, whether it's, say if you're gonna do Halloween, like Halloween's coming up, you want Halloween invitations. You have a birthday party coming up. You know, it's somebody's birthday. Whatever, you can make really cool designs. And then it's thinking. This is pretty quick. Actually, I like this a little bit better. Oh, he's cute. And so you just download him. Yeah, that's cute. I really like it. So I already had the artwork set up for this one. So that's my Toily. If you read Grumpy Santa, the picture book, you'll meet Toily. He's one of the elves that help go find Santa when Santa quits Christmas, because the spirit of Christmas has been lost. And then, so we generated our script, right? So now we're going to go to play.ht/studio. And here is where it'll give me voices. And so it's very simple. All of this looks confusing. It's scaring people. A lot of information here. All you want to do is create where the plus sign is. Usually have a plus sign, and this black space here is you're going to copy from, remember, ChatGPT. Let's go back to ChatGPT, and I literally will copy this into, so cut, copy, and paste, Control C, go to Play HT, and let me erase what was on there. And then as soon as you type in or cut, copy, and paste from ChatGPT your finished script that you like, just hit the generate with the arrow, and it's thinking. And this one has 64 words, so it's about 16 seconds, and I have it at 1.5 speed. You can change the speed. So I'm doing this a little bit faster. People want it in real time, but then they don't want to spend so much time watching something. But I'm trying to stop the watching the YouTube videos from
Hey there,
people.
Merrymakers.
Yeah.
Guess what? I heard Santa's trying a new gig as a grumpy Grinch. Can you believe it? But don't you worry. We've got a sneaky plan from Sir Herbert Sneakies to turn those frowns into jolly ho. Ho, ho, hoes again. Check out the Santa Chronicles, Grumpy Santa on Amazon Books, and let's show Santa that being grumpy is no joke.
Oh, that's funny. I mean, that's so cute. And that's a little bit too fast. I had it another guy, and he was way too slow, the Australian guy. I'm going to slow it down. And so you can keep playing with it. You can change the speed if someone talks too slow or too fast. And you can hit regenerate right here. And can you see regenerate? We're on this. It's really easy. Let me just maybe move it back a little for you. I mean, my audience, we're just... Okay.
Hey there, Merrymakers. Guess what? I heard Santa's trying a new gig as a grumpy Grinch. Can you believe it? But don't you worry. We've got a sneaky plan from Sir Herbert Sneakies to turn those frowns into jolly ho, ho, hoes again. Check out the Santa Chronicles, Grumpy Santa on Amazon Books, and let's show Santa that being grumpy is no joke.
It's cute. And like I said, see, the person talking says Larry Advertising. They didn't have a young boy, so I tried to find someone, a guy in Australia I didn't like. So if you don't like Larry, you can literally just press that color. There's Larry. You can have Oliver. He's a male British. Oliver was older. See, here's a sample.
Trying to get an appointment to see your doctor.
Way too older. There was no young boy, so I was just between a Australian male.
Extreme success.
No, that was definitely not. So you just pick which one, and then you will scroll down, and you just scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you click on the person you want, and you hit confirm, and then you will have that person talking on, where is it at? Talking. You just confirm, and now this new person, see, it changed it. The red Larry and advertising. And you can keep generating on the purple button. And once you pick which one you want, did I want Larry number 1? Do I want Mary number 2? Then this little down arrow with the cloud, you just click that and download it. So once you download it, you're gonna go back to Blabberize and make browse my stuff. So we're going to make, right? So we're on make. And you're gonna browse for my pictures. So we're gonna pick my elf boy. Let's see which one. My elf boy blue. I did like the new one, but I already had this loaded, so we'll just use it. So you can rotate it, but this is pretty easy. It's use it, and then once you hit that button, it's like copy your image or pick an image. So we already did, so use the blue arrow right there. And this, it's pretty easy. So once you're on this page, see this circle right here? You just move it with the arrow. You just move it to his face. And then you got to play with this. It's kind of, you're just going to have to just go, okay, you have to move it to his mouth. You move these round circles to his mouth. I'm not an expert, but you literally have to just try and make it small enough because his mouth is pretty small. And on this one, you can have an open mouth. On the D hyphen did one only accepts people right now, and their mouths needs to be closed. But on this one, he can have an open mouth. It didn't have to be closed because when I was generating the photos, they just didn't like just made the people look angry with the closed mouth, or didn't exactly look the best. Okay, so let me just see, because it could be like a puppet. You know how a puppet has a wide open mouth? If you don't do it right, he's gonna have this big wide mouth talking. So I'm trying to make it as small as possible. And you know, this is just going to take you playing around with it. No one's an expert until you try, and it does take a while. It's taking me all day long. It's taking me over 6 hours just to get the artwork and line everything up, just nonstop. So it's not as quick and fast as people think. It's still, there's got to be a human being to do all this work. It is work to do this and time consuming. So I'm trying to just make his mouth cover his mouth. All right, and then there's only so many buttons. This is the button right here, add a mouth. That's what we just did. Remove mouth and make an AI mouth. Now the AI put a mouth on a present. It did not put it on the boy, so I didn't use the automatic one. You're more than welcome to. I mean, your kids will do it, and the kids will see talking trees. It's pretty funny. So you hit the arrow, and we want to add sound. You can record from your microphone, or you can add the sound. Now, it wants it in wave, so I'm going to browse for my recorded. I recorded it and downloaded, remember? Elf voice. Elf voice. It needs to be in a WAV file, so you can always convert into WAV file with a free WAV converter. It's just like convert audio to WAV file. It's pretty simple. While it's downloading, I'll just show you. I converted my audio to WAV file in this Convertio. It was pretty easy. So let's go back to my boy, and then my elf boy Toily from Grumpy Santa. Let's see.
Hey kids, Santa is grumpy. What? You ask? Well, Santa quit Christmas. So if you want Christmas presents this year, I will need your help to find Santa before the mean Santa Thor takes over as the new Santa. Do you think you can help me? Check out the Santa Chronicles Grumpy Santa picture book by Sir Herbert Sneakies at Amazon. Thank you for helping us turn Grumpy Santa back into Jolly Santa. Your friend, Toily the Elf from the North Pole.
Okay, now see how it looks like a real puppet and it was too low? So you can fix it right here. It says preview and finish. Pick a sound, place mouse. So pick an image. So I would have to redo his mouth and make it better. I move it up and make it smaller. But you get the idea. It's it does let you do characters here, because the other AI websites like Hey Gen and this one right here that you do people on, D-ID, create videos, it does not let you. So we went to Blabberize to make our little cute boy, but we got to fix his mouth. But you get it. Just play around with it a lot. And then once you're done, you can download it and say, okay. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. If you'd like to support the channel, we've got our book coming out. Thank you so much. Bye.